Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Small Business Superheroes channel. We are here on day 5 of the Earl Nightingale 30-day We're going to create a miracle in your life challenge. So it's a 2-step process to create a miracle in your life. Step 1, get a goal card, write down your goal in the present tense using the words I am. Read that card as often as you can throughout the day. Step 2, do more than is expected of you over the next 30 days. Work harder than you've ever worked before. Get up earlier, stay up later. Today we focus on step 2. It's the part that people often leave out. When they talk about goal setting, when they talk about manifesting, when they talk about the law of attraction, when they talk about any of these types of items, they always leave out the second part. It's easy to hear, write down on a card, and then read it, and then poof, it'll happen. It's not magic. This isn't pie in the sky. You've got to work for it, and you're going to work hard for it. The difference is that by writing down that goal in a specific and measurable sense, you are training your brain moment after moment. Each and every time that you read and visualize that goal, you're training your brain to watch for new avenues that you can work for your goal. Do more than is expected of you. Whether that's at work, whether that's researching your goal, whether that's doing something for other people in service towards your goal, make sure that you are doing more than is expected of you in steps that are making concrete, measurable progress towards what you have decided you're going to accomplish. Each and every day, each and every minute, be certain that you are doing everything that you can do each day. Leave nothing undone each day for the next 30 days. Take out that goal card, go ahead and read it one more time as soon as you finish this video. And then visualize it, and then hop up and start taking action steps towards your goal again. All right, guys, let's get to it. Small Business Superheroes Podcast. I'm Dave the Barbarian. Please like and subscribe with notifications because we are going to do a video each and every day this month, and we're accomplishing this together.